So loud, you guys. I don't know if this video will even do justice. Like, I can't even hear myself talk. And then watch, when I stop it, I mean, maybe the fan still has to run for a while to cool it down, but I mean, the door's open, and that fan is loud. I don't know when it's supposed to stop. Maybe if I press the stop button again to like clear it. Stop, cancel. Okay, it's telling me it's the fan. Wow. Now my other air fryer unit from another better 2-letter company is way better than this one. Close to the same price. I'm going back to it.